can't be restored yet.
This is the Suffolk Colt 12-inch lawnmower that Ben Walker has been restoring. If you look at the previous video, you'll see that it was in a pretty ropey state, very rusty, and it wasn't working. It's got completely stripped down, had a new valve fitted to it, and we've just attended to the ignition coil, set the gaps, and we're hopeful this will be its first start for about 20 years. So there you go, Ben.
Right. Tense moment. Bit of fuel pumping through. Right, there we go. Give it a bit of choke.
The chores, because they're never done now. So what can you tell me about
Almost.
This is exciting. There we are. It's brought back to life.
Come on! Over beautifully.
Beautiful. Well done, mate. We have a few more jobs to do on it yet. But this old girl's got many years of life left in her.